Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on Vigilance Awareness Week in English. Vigilance Awareness Week, observed annually in India, is a significant initiative aimed at promoting transparency, integrity, and accountability within public services. In 2024, the week will be observed from October 28 to November 3, focusing on the theme of enhancing vigilance against corruption and promoting ethical governance. This essay delves into the importance of this week, its historical context, and the critical role it plays in fostering a culture of honesty and accountability. Historical context. The roots of Vigilance Awareness Week trace back to the establishment of the Central Vigilance Commission CVC in 1964. The CVC was created to address the rampant corruption in public offices and to ensure the integrity of public servants. Over the decades, as corruption evolved in various forms, the need for a dedicated observance become increasingly apparent. Vigilance Awareness Week was first observed in 2000, providing a structured approach to raise awareness about the detrimental effect of corruption and to promote ethical behavior among citizens and government officials alike. Objectives of Vigilance Awareness Week. The primary objective of Vigilance Awareness Week is to create awareness about the significance of vigilance in everyday life and the necessity of ethical practices in governance. The week serves as a platform for various activities aimed at educating the public about corruption and its consequences. Key objectives include raising awareness by conducting seminars, workshops, and public outreach programs. The week aims to educate citizens about the implications of corruption and the importance of vigilance in public and private sectors. Second, encouraging ethical behavior. It encourages individuals, especially those in public service, to uphold integrity and moral values in their professional and personal lives, fostering a culture of transparency. Through initiatives that promote openness and accountability, the week seeks to instill a sense of responsibility among public officials to work for the common goods. Engaging citizens, involving citizens in discussions about governance, accountability, and their rights encourages active participation in combating corruption. Importance of vigilance awareness. Corruption poses a significant threat to democratic institutions, economic development, and social justice. It undermines trust in government, distorts markets, and perpetuates inequality. Vigilance Awareness Week plays a crucial role in combating these challenges by fostering a culture that values integrity. Empowering citizens, educating citizens about their rights and the mechanism to report corruption empowers them to take action. Knowledge is a powerful tool. When people are aware of the corrupt practices around them, they are more likely to speak up. Strengthening institutions. By promoting ethical standards within institutions, Vigilance Awareness Week helps build robust systems that can withstand corruption. When public servants are committed to transparency, it enhances the overall governance framework. Cultivating a vigilant society. The week acts as a reminder that vigilance is not just the responsibility of the government but of every citizen. A vigilant society is one that actively monitors and demands accountability from its leaders. Long term impact. Continuous awareness and education efforts can lead to a gradual cultural shift towards zero tolerance for corruption. This shift is essential for sustainable development and societal progress. Activities during Vigilance Awareness Week. The observance of Vigilance Awareness Week typically includes a variety of activities designed to engage different segments of society. Workshops and seminars. These are organized by government departments, educational institutions, and civil society organizations. They focus on topics such as the effect of corruption, the importance of ethical behavior, and the mechanism for reporting unethical practices. Public campaign. Campaign using social media, posters, and pamphlets aim to reach a broader audience, spreading message about the importance of vigilance and integrity. Competitions. Many institution holds essay writing, debate, and quiz competitions to engage students and encourage them to think critically about corruption and governance. Street plays and skits. Artistic expressions such as street plays can effectively communicate complex issues in a relatable manner, making the message accessible to a diverse audience. Community engagement. Local communities are encouraged to participate in discussions and events that foster dialogue about ethical practices and corruption. The role of technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing vigilance. The use of online platforms for reporting corruption, such as helplines and mobile apps, makes it easier for citizens to voice their concern anonymously. Social media also serves as a powerful tool for raising awareness and mobilizing support against corrupt practices. Engaging the youth through technology is crucial as they are often the most active users of digital platforms and can drive change through their networks. Conclusion. Vigilance Awareness Week is not merely a ceremonial observance, it is a vital movement towards creating a more just and equitable society. By fostering a culture of vigilance, integrity, and transparency, this week encourages every individual to take an active role in the fight against corruption. The collective effort of citizens, government officials, and civil society can pave the way for a brighter future, one where honesty prevails and the rights of every individual are respected. As we approach Vigilance Awareness Week 2024, it is imperative to reflect on our roles and responsibilities in nurturing an environment that values integrity above all. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.